Hello friend, welcome to my another video. So my friend, in this video we are going to talk about attentive listening. Yes, it's very essential topic to talk and discuss about it. Why? Because so many learners are facing problem that their English is not improving. So what they should do and how they should do listening. See my friend, you do listening, you know the value of listening, how it can add value, benefit in your English to speak, to improve. But you do listening in wrong way. You are not doing listening, you are wasting your time and energy. How? Let me tell you. See my friend, whenever you go for listening, that time you listen, you spend time. But tell me, after listening, how many of you ask this question? What did I learn from this listening? And how many of you get answer? Do you do it? No. Then if you don't do, then how you can improve? How you can grow? Because the time you gave, you put, you are not observing yourself, that the time I gave, I put in something for listening, then what I got, something I got or not. You are not observing, you are not doing inquiry of your listening, that what you are listening and what you are learning, only randomly you are doing. Then how you will get the benefit and how your English will improve? It will not. So, for this, my dear friend, you really need to know about attentive listening so that you can do attentive listening and improve your English, speak English, and also improve your knowledge, ideas, thought, and that will change your thinking, your personality, your way of thinking, your English, your speaking. So you have to do actual listening, which you are not doing right now. You are just taking a video and listening and just completing your task of listening. But if you keep doing like that, then you are not going to improve, because it is not going to add value, add benefit in your speaking, in your English. If you do less hard work, then how you can expect more result? If you do more hard work, then you can expect and get more result. So similarly, my dear friend, if you want to get more result, more improvement, growth, then you have to do attentive listening. Okay? More conscious way you have to listen. So, what you have to do for attentive listening? Let me tell you, my friend. But little bit, I want to talk about your favorite things. It's very important. If you listen this, then only you can understand about those things. Otherwise, not. So, tell me, whenever you go for listening something in which you are very much interested, you are very much interested, आप बहुत interested हो, so that time tell me, do you need to pay your attention? Do you need to ready your ear, your mind, your eyes to listen, to catch, to feed? No, just it happens automatic. Why? Because you are interested in that things, in that topic. That's why. So, my friend, you have to also do your listening in this way, that when you are going to listen, that time your mind should be empty to feed the information, to feed the lesson in your mind. Your ear should be ready to listen the information, listen the knowledge. Your eyes should be ready to catch. Your care should be focused to be in that video, in that content, and you yourself, my dear friend, should be interested in that topic, in that video. Then only, my dear friend, you will be able to do attentive listening. So for this, my dear friend, what you will have to do so that you can do attentive listening? So see, whenever you are going for listening, at that time you have to choose your interesting topic. Okay, whatever you are willing to listen, go through that, choose that things, but make sure that should be in English. Okay, and you know, then, my dear friend, if you choose interesting things, you will pay your attention, your ear will be ready to listen, your mind will be ready to feed the information, to grab the knowledge, and your eyes will be ready to catch. And that's how, my dear friend, you can do attentive listening. So जब भी हम इस तरह की listening करते हैं, we don't forget whatever we listen, information, knowledge, in any ideas, we don't forget, we keep in our mind for long time. So you also have to do listening in this way, then you will do listening in actual manner. That would be you know attentive listening. And this kind of listening, my dear friend, will benefit you, add value in your life. It will improve your English, your speaking, and your knowledge, your ideas, your thinking. So you have to do listening in this way, my dear friend, because when you go for listen, so not only you listen English, but also you listen someone ideas, someone creativity you listen, and someone thought you listen. You know about different things. How do you know about different things? How? Because you listen. Let's suppose you haven't listened about politics. Any word, any single word you haven't listened. So will you able to talk about that? Will you able to give opinion about that? Will you able to discuss about that? No, because you never ever heard, listen about that. Then how you can? So that is why, my dear friend, when you are going for listening, then you have to be attentive and listen English, yeah, any video, any kind of video attentively. Then you will grab the knowledge, and that knowledge will give you ideas, knowledge, that will give you thought. And that's how, my dear friend, you will be able to talk about any topic, give your opinion, give your suggestion, when you will listen carefully. And if you listen carefully, then you will observe, learn. So my friend, you have to do listening better way, attentively. Then you will do listening better. And when you will do listening better, then only, my dear friend, you will speak better, you will learn better, you will think better, you will do the conclusion better. So not only for learning English, for understanding anything, you have to listen better way. And while listening, my dear friend, you have to make the notes. Okay, that notes should be for vocabs, for sentences, also for the lesson. Because in some video we get life lesson, life related lesson, any good advice we get. So all those, note down. If you write word, sentences, that will make your English better. But when you will note any opinion, any good line, suggestion, that will give you any life lesson and change your perspective, change your thought, change your opinion. So my friend, you know, do listening in this way and make notes, and also ask this question: what did I learn from this listening? And write down. After that, you don't have to limitize those information knowledge in page, in notebook. No, you have to share those knowledge. If you have learnt any word, sentences, yeah, any life lesson also, then must share. Don't limitize and keep in your notebook. Whenever you are going for talking with anybody, then share with them that today I have learned something. Would you like to listen? Would you like to know? And then share with them. If you talk three people, share with trio people. So in this way you will do again and again, practice and remember, and because of you other people will also learn from you. So my dear friend, you have to do listening in this way. So if you do your listening in this way, and after that observation, that what did you learn, and whatever you learn and share with other people, so my dear friend, in this way you will improve your English, grow your English swiftly, and इट वुड बी एक्चुअल लिसनिंग, अटेंटिव लिसनिंग, जिसमें आपके कान खड़े हो, जिसमें आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, आपकी माइंड पूरी तरह से शांत हो, चीज़ों को समझने के लिए, ग्रैब करने के लिए, फीड करने के लिए आपका फोकस जो है प्रेजेंट में हो, उसी टाइम उसी कंटेंट पे हो, उसी वीडियो पे हो, तभी जाके जो है आप एक्चुअल लिसनिंग कर पाएंगे और उसका पूरा पूरा बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे। और ये कब होगा? जब आप इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ों के साथ लिसनिंग करते हैं और अपने अच्छे मूड के साथ करते हैं, तब ये होगा और तभी आप जो है पूरा पूरा बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे। और ये नॉट ओनली योर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश बट ऑल्सो इट विल गिव यू लेसन, अदर काइंड ऑफ लेसन that would change maybe your perspective, your thinking. So do listening in this way. So my friend, I hope you like this video and you will do your listening in this way. So if you would, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.